Oh mate, that's not beautiful, what do you mean? Oh bad. You got tased by a pub when you had a lynx. Thank you. I'm very proud of that. And you should be happy for me. Because I'm currently getting 11 FPS, this game's great.
Wait, can I send this dog away? Righto, master. You can get the...
I mean, all the gangs you decided to join was because... Got any idea on your Twitter?
Oi, what's going on here? Wait, what's going on?
I brought this guy back. He was in combat, trying to lockpick the vehicle, and he's got a lynx, and he was involved with the gas station robbery.
Has you taken anyone? Like, hit you?
Oi,
He killed an
Oi,
officer.
Castelli.
Yeah, what's up?
They try to steal another HMG. Look at the toll booth. That's not where I don't remember parking the HMG there.
Oh, no, it wasn't there.
No, it was,
Got any
on
idea on
the
your
bridge.
Twitter?
Alright, so... Get his ID.
No. Hello?
Car license, no bike license. I'm going. I'll quickly add the
yes.
charges.
Yeah, I need like one terrorism charge. Because he's got links.
Give him a pat now. Give him a pat.
He's gonna be searching you, Twitter. Alright, so you will be getting a charge for possession for 1 count of C4 if you count the stun armor. Could you add that for me? He would get attempted GTA for trying to lockpick a police vehicle, wouldn't he?
Yes.
Yeah, well, then, could you give him that? Attempted GTA?
Alright. Process them, then you can send me some.
Alright, you'll be on to jail for a total of 35 years. You can pay bail halfway through.
And